Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can transfer money from AIB to Revolut. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing we want to do is actually open up the AIB app, and this can also be done via online banking as well, but I recommend using the app as it's a bit easier. So firstly, go ahead and open the app. From here you'll be prompted to log in, so you can either log in with your fingerprint or you can log in with your code, and once you have done that, you just want to find the Pay and Transfers tab at the bottom. So once we click on this Pay and Transfers tab down here, we should be able to see these options. Now since we're trying to transfer money from our account to another one, and we are Irish, we're going to want to go ahead and choose Pay an Irish Account. So go ahead and click this button here, and from there we'll have these options down here. Now since we're not a contact or a saved person, we're going to choose Make a One-Off Payment. And here's where we can start entering in some of the details of our Revolut account. So you will need to head over to the Revolut app to find these details. So the first thing you want to do when sending this is first choose the account in which you're trying to send from. So in this case, it's just a current account. From there, you can then add a message if you want. So you can add something that helps give you some context to the transaction. And then after that, you'll need to enter your IBAN number. So you'll need to head over to your Revolut account. And from there, you should be able to find your details on your Revolut account. One of those options will be your IBAN number, and you can just go ahead and copy that number from the Revolut app, and then head back into the AIB app and just paste it in here. And then you just want to enter in the full name of whoever you're sending to. And then you can add another message down here if that's something you want to do. And then from there, you can choose the amount in which you're trying to send. So you can send up to €1,000, which is the daily limit. And then once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click continue. Now once you've clicked continue, you have a chance to confirm your payment. So you can see how much you're going to send, where you're sending it from, and where you're sending it to. So you just want to double check this IBAN number and the name of the person. And then once you're happy all the details are correct, we can go ahead and click this confirm button. And then from there, our payment will be submitted. And then from there, we should be able to see something like this, which tells us our payment has been submitted. And then from there, we can head over to the Revolut app, and our money should have been transferred from AIB over to Revolut. So that's exactly how you can transfer money from AIB to Revolut. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.